Topanos, you must beat me in math. Bring it on! As the first challenge, let's see if you can solve the most basic of integration rules. Confound it all! You've solved it! Ah, you can tell that the answer to this problem is C, because when you take the derivative of any constant, your result will always be 0. I've leveled up since last time we met. I will still defeat you. Once again bested! You can see here his math is correct. For the integral of any constant is going to be that constant times x plus c, for there is always the chance of there being plus c. In light of my recent defeats, I have added goggles. Your goggles will protect you from my mathematical skill. This time, you'll have to write out the power rule for integrals and solve this problem using the power rule. Once again, he has beaten my mathematical prowess. Here you can see his application of his correctly written power rule for integrals. This being x and n being 1. X, n plus 1 as 1 plus 1 is 2 over n plus 1 as 1 plus 1 is 2 plus c. Victory thus far has all been luck. Well, I'll have another victory soon. Now this time, solve the rule and an example. This blasphemous fool has once again defeated my mathematical skills. My prowess must be dimming. You can see here, once he has solved this rule correctly, he then applied it by taking the constant out of the integral, solving the integral, and then multiplying it by the constant, and adding c. You have reached my final evolution! You just exited the girls' bathroom! This time, I'll present you with my hardest challenge! The sum or difference of integrals. Solve for the rule and this example. My mathematical skills have been laid to rest. He has once again bested me. Here you can see he correctly solved the rule of sum or difference for integrals. Here you can see his application. By taking out the constant of each of these, as we spoke of earlier, he was then able to separate each integral individually, solve them, and then multiply them by the constant once again, and adding that confounded plus c. I'm afraid my time is up.
Now for my finishing move. Plus C. Ha! Stripped of his magical powers, the mathematical wizard has now been defeated.